Man, there's a lot of competition, isn't there? So how the heck do you stand out? How do you differentiate? How do you make noise? How do you get attention when everyone seems to be saying the same thing in your market? Now, here's what I did in my previous company, Rewind. I finally embraced and leaned into something that I love, which is retro 80s, 90s pop culture. I was born in 1972, and I'm just such a fan of music from my youth, from the 80s. And you can see, obviously, my Goonies t-shirt. And what I did was, instead of hiding that, I infused it into the fiber of Rewind, and we had fun with it. Even the name was a play on rewinding the years and rewinding a VHS tape or Walkman, depending on your age. But it was unique because all of the other nutrition companies were focusing on just the ingredients and the products, especially in the greens. And I was talking about stuff that was fun, that was light, that I loved, and it was true to something that I was really passionate about. So I'm going to ask you, what are you really passionate about? What is it you love? So if you're at a party with someone and you're chatting, and what's the topic that lights you up where you're like, oh my God, you're my person, and you could just talk about that topic all day? So again, for me, it was like the 80s, 90s, movies and TV and music. Maybe for you, it's a specific type of music, or it's a band. Maybe you're Deadhead, or maybe you love Iron Maiden. Maybe you're really into Marvel Comics, or maybe you're into riding motorcycles, or maybe you're into hiking or Cobra Kai fanatic. It doesn't matter. Just find that thing that you love and gently try to infuse it into your marketing and watch what happens. Now, it's funny because you might say, Ryan, if I talk about the Grateful Dead and my audience doesn't like them, isn't going to turn them off. No, because here's what's really interesting is that if you're passionate about a topic, other people get excited about your passion. They might not love what you do. They might not have the same passion as you, but they are attracted to passionate people. And it also just adds a little bit more texture to your marketing, and it makes it more fun, and you're just being true to yourself. So give it a try, and I'd love to hear what lights you up. Why don't you comment below, and let's have a little conversation. Let's see what kind of passions and hobbies you're into, you little freak. Comment below, and let's keep playing.